Assalamu alaikum. This is Rabia Khalid here, and today we are going to read a very famous story of a thirsty crow. Before reading the story, please do not forget to subscribe our channel Leads Daska Creation, and please click the button below as well so you can get the notifications or our new stories. Okay, once there was a crow. He was very thirsty. He flew here and there in search of water, but he could not find water anywhere. The crow was very thirsty and he was finding the water, but he was unable to find it. Okay, next we click the page. Okay, at last he reached a garden. He saw a pot in water. The crow was very happy to find the water. There was a very little water in it. He could not drink it. He thought a plan. And what the plan was, he wisely flew somewhere and he brought some pieces of stone and put them into the pot. The water rose up. He drank the water and flew away. And there is a moral. And what is the moral? God helped those who help themselves. It means those who try hard, they find a way. Thank you so much.